Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In April, I posted a story about the Centerton Police Department and their response to a neighborly dispute.
I'm not there right now because if I was there right now, I'd knock his teeth out. So
to view the full video, use the links in the description or pinned comment. But as a quick reminder, Chris's neighbor had some trees that grew over his fence line, and a few months after he had received permission to cut them, the neighbor expressed that they were unhappy with the work. After a verbal dispute, the neighbor called the police, who ended up trying to resolve the dispute by issuing trespassing warnings to both parties, though neither neighbor had trespassed, nor did either neighbor even ask for a trespass warning.
You're going to trespass them, and we need to trespass these guys.
It's just a formality to make sure that you don't.
They can't come over to you and start.
That's fine. I don't need you to trespass them.
And after creating this unlawful plan to trespass both parties, Officer Willis of the Centerton Police Department demanded Chris's ID.
I just need your ID.
I'm not going to give you my ID.
Okay. Well, if you fail to ID or identify yourself, we're just going to take you to jail.
Okay. I'll go get my stuff. Hold on.
Okay.
But Chris hadn't broken any laws and wasn't suspected of any criminal activity. And after refusing to provide his ID,
You're threatening me that you're going to arrest me if I don't give you my ID.
If you don't identify yourself, yeah.
You're on my property, sir. Get off my property.
the officers went hands-on, detaining Chris in handcuffs in front of his wife, neighbors, and newborn son. He was forced to identify himself before being released from his restraints. Knowing that what happened to him was wrong, Chris contacted me and provided all the footage he had, and redressed his grievances to the city council. Chris went on to make FOIA requests to look through body cam footage from various stops involving the aggressing officer, and after the video of his incident went viral, he finally got a call from the chief of police.
For a brief second,
Sure.
and let you know. Now, Wills, he doesn't work here anymore.
Do what?
Wills,
Okay.
he is no longer an officer with the police department.
Oh, okay. That's wonderful.
Okay, so I'm letting you know that, but he's no longer here.
Oh, okay. Hey, that's, I appreciate you saying that and giving me a call on that.
I just, and some of that stuff, I just want to give you a call.
Yeah.
Because it was directly with him.
Yeah.
And, and if he, any of the stuff, you're welcome to come by here. And I can show you what we're doing for the training and stuff.
Okay.
But instead of just singling, just the other officer that was there, I signed the whole department for it this year.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, the other guy who was there, I forget his name, but he was quite pleasant. He really tried to de-escalate it. So, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's great to know. May I ask, was it because of this particular reason, or was there another reason that he was let go?
No, it was all to do with this.
Okay. Okay.
For most people that send me their incidents, after the video is made and their incident is taken care of, they're happy that it's over with and want to get as far away from that police department as possible. For others, their experience launches them into action. In fact, this entire channel only started because of one officer, David Nelson, out of Colorado Springs.
get inside. Get inside.
I'm good.
Get inside. Get inside. Did you hear me? We need you to get inside.
For what?
The guy comes running out here with a gun. What do you think?
Then I'll get inside.
Okay, I will be back to arrest you if you don't get inside.
You're gonna arrest me on my own property for standing on...
To arrest you.
Okay.
You're gonna get arrested.
For standing on my porch?
Okay. Thank you. I give you lawful order. I'm trying to
For standing on my porch.
worry about you. You need to move out the way. I'll be back with the summons. You can explain.
You got it. You'll talk to my lawyer. What's your name and badge number then? Hey, name and badge number. But then the second you start telling me you're gonna put me in cuffs in the back of a cop car, f*** you. Really? If I've done something illegal, come get it. But it's more evident now than it ever was that if I didn't pick up the torch and do it, there are many other people out there that would have. Sometimes the changes we cause are small, but they all add up, and hopefully over time it'll make a real impact. Chris is still deciding what his next move is, but for now, the town of Centerton, Arkansas has one less tyrant with a terrible understanding of the law and very basic human rights. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.